Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video we will be learning how to add clouds to your image in Snapseed. To add a cloud on your image on Snapseed, first of all open the Snapseed application. Now click on the plus button and select an image you would like to add and edit. Now that you've selected an image, go to the Tools option at the bottom, scroll down and select Double Exposure. Now click on the plus image icon at the bottom left. Select an image of clouds from your device's library. You can download any free cloud images from the internet and save it on your device's gallery. Once you select the cloud image, go ahead and resize the image and make sure that it fits your image on the background. Go to the bottom right corner after you do that and click on this water drop icon. Increase and decrease the intensity of opacity by moving right or left to your finger, and make sure to choose the opacity to blend the clouds naturally with your original image. Go to the erasure button at the bottom and you can also choose the overlay option so that the cloud blends in naturally with your original image. After you are happy with the result, tap the tick mark at the bottom right and you will be able to save the changes. Now click on the export button at the bottom right and export your image like you normally do. And that's how you will be able to add clouds in one of your images using Snapseed. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.